Hi everyone, I'm here to do Heggerty exercises with you. Today we're going to start with blending. We are going to blend parts of a word. So the syllables, I will give you each part and then you repeat the parts and then we'll blend the word. Here we go. Princess, princess. Intelligent, intelligent. Disappear, disappear. Video, video. Promise, promise. Yesterday, yesterday. Everyone, everyone. Nice job. Okay, let's do some syllable segmenting. So I will say the word, you repeat the word, and you can either chop it or, I like to clap syllables. So why don't we clap it? Every, every. Speedy, speedy. April, April. Discovery, discovery. 4 syllables. Identify, identify. Skyscraper, skyscraper. Trampoline, trampoline. Good. All right, now we're going to do some vowel substitution. Remember, our vowel substitution is where we're substituting the vowel that if we were to roller coaster it, it's at the top of the roller coaster. The word is bass. Change a to a. Bus. The word is slab. Change a to a. Slob. The word is mile. Change I to I. Mill. The word is heed. Change E to E. Head. The word is same. Change A to A. Sam. Good. All right. Let's add some prefixes, or let's add some suffixes to our word. So we're going to start with a word, and then we are going to add a suffix to the end, a word part, and we'll make a new word. The word is look. Add ing to the end. Looking. The word is make. Add ing to the end. Making. The word is know. Add ing to the end. Knowing. The word is book. Add s to the end. Books. The word is house. Add s to the end. Houses. The word is place. Add s to the end. Places. Good. Okay, now we are going to remove those suffixes The word is thinking. Without ing, the word is think. The word is helping. Without ing, the word is help. The word is wanting. Without ing, the word is want. The word is things. Without s, the word is thing. The word is news. Without s, the word is new. Nice job.